What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to handle Google Ad disapprovals. This is something that can happen from time to time the longer you have a Google Ads account and obviously have ads running. And in my particular case, I just had one ad disapproved today for which I received an email for that you're looking at here. Now, the quick answer to the question of what you do, the answer is you try to appeal it if it's justified. There are circumstances where it's not and you're going to want to get rid of the ad, but what I'm going to just run you through is the process of the appeal if it's warranted. So real quick, what you need to know is that Google Ads does scan your ads from time to time, and if it judges that it is violating some kind of TOS, or there's, in this case, a destination URL is not working, it's going to pause the ad and disapprove it, send you an email, which is what I received over here. You're gonna know about it, and then you're gonna have the option to either appeal it or get rid of the ad. Now, in this particular case, what we have is a situation where the situation isn't serious whatsoever. There's no violation of terms of service. It's just one of those minor situations where it scanned it, the URL wasn't working. Now it's working fine. So I'm gonna wanna appeal that. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna get an email to whatever your account is associated with, which is gonna look something like this. It's gonna let you know which ad was disapproved. You're going to want to click on View Details and Fix Policy Issues. I'm going to open up a new window where this shows up, and this is where you're going to want to see the situation. So in here it says one disapproved URL for your account. It shows what the URL is, and the reason again is because the destination URL is not working, or rather it wasn't working when Google Ads scanned it. But if I do click on it right now, you're going to notice that the page loads up fine. So there's no issue anymore. So what I'm going to want to do is scroll down over here and click on Appeal. And here it says your appeal for all ads with this final URL has been submitted successfully. Now here's the thing, you can click X on this and it's going to take about a day, sometimes less in my experience in most cases, to see if that was successful. And where you are right now in Google Ads, or rather where I am, it's the policy manager. Policy issues that you're not going to see them anymore because I just asked for an appeal here, but if you click on appeal history, this is going to show you what's going on. So this is my appeal that I just posted. It says status in progress, and then results. Once it's done, it's going to let me know if it's successful. In other words, now the ad is back up and running again. If it failed, which means the appeal didn't go through, or there is a third one which is invalid. So, or sometimes there's partially successful. In my cases, it's usually either successful or failed. Now, here's the thing. Technically, the situation ends here, but there are circumstances where, let's say you have a case like I do where I ask for an appeal because the website is working, the page is loading up fine, but there are circumstances where your appeal might fail. If that is the case, your plan B is to delete the ad group where the ad is associated and just remake it. That's pretty much the solution that occurs if this is warranted. So that is something that can happen. Now, I do recommend that you read up on Google Ads terms of service, because sometimes an ad disapproval can occur for legitimate reasons where you may be violating one of their terms of service and not know about it. And if that's the case, you're going to want to delete the ad without trying to appeal it so it doesn't leave a bad mark on your account. So that's all there is to it. That's what you need to know. Just real quick reference about myself and this channel. If you're new, my name is Vitaly and I cover the subject of making money online. One of the ways that I do that is through Google Ads. I also have an entire channel with content on different subjects like traffic generation, social media, affiliate marketing. You're welcome to check that out, like, share, and subscribe. But if you're someone that's new to the subject of making money online and running an online business and you need help, I'm going to leave a link below this video to a free case study that shares with you how I run my online business and an action plan that you can use to basically follow in my footsteps, among other bonuses that are explained in that URL in the description. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.